You are gone now. Hard to think of an easy way to start. It's over. Give me what I want. Think of what you did today, how it's gonna be. I've got a bunch of real good reasons that I'm needing you to see. I can't keep holding this feeling of all that you've forgotten is us. Time's up, you're gone today. Nothing could make you stay. You are finished with me for now. Finished with me for now. Taking it all away. Gone now. Hard to think of an easy way to start. It's over. Give me what I've lost. Think of what I did today, how it's gonna be. I've got a bunch of real good reasons that you're never gonna see. You are consistently breaking me. All that I've forgotten is us. Us. Time's up, you're gone today. Nothing could make you stay. You are finished with me for now. Finished with me for now. Taking it all away.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering about the roads years it like to be to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much here. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. Forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and the media. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times since I go start breaking your heart, but it don't matter. It really doesn't tear you apart anymore. So typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that you well. Did you you ever make it out of that town where nothing ever happens? It's no secret that the both of us are running out of time. So hello from the other say that I'm trying to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. Clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. Ooh, anymore. Ooh, anymore. Ooh, anymore. Anymore. Hello from the other side.